Coming up, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious Beanie Boo inspired unicorn cake. It has chocolate biscuit cake, chocolate chip cake as well on the inside. And guys, I'm going to play a fun game throughout this video. If you can spot little Coco, which is my Beanie Boo, throughout the video, then comment below and let me know what minute you see him in and where he is in the video. And keep watching to find out how I made this delicious cake. Welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious Beanie Boo inspired unicorn cake. It has lots of fun colours, it has great flavours on the inside with a chocolate biscuit cake and also a chocolate chip cake, yum yum. And on the outside it's of course decorated to look like a fabulous little unicorn, and you can actually buy a Beanie Boo unicorn in the shops that looks exactly like this with the same colours, so that's why I tried to recreate something that was nice and fun and colourful for you guys, because I know a lot of you love Beanie Boos. I love them too, and I really love Beanie Babies as well. That's why I did my Beanie Baby collection, which you guys really enjoyed. So if you haven't seen that already, make sure to check that out. I have a huge collection, but of course Beanie Boos are the new thing, and I thought this was just really fun. So let's get started on this easy recipe. So first up, I'm going to make my delicious chocolate chip cake, which is going to be the top layer of this fabulous unicorn Beanie Boo cake. It is just a simple vanilla cake batter. I'm going to add in some chocolate chips to make it nice and fun and tasty. And I'm going to pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes. I'll list all the ingredients and the recipe down in the description below, so don't worry if you miss out on anything. So let's get started on that. Okay, so after we've made our chocolate chip cake, we want to leave it on a wire rack to cool completely. When it's come out of the oven and it's nice and cooked, we can then make our chocolate biscuit cake. I'm going to make that in the same tin that I made my chocolate chip cake in, of course, when the tin has cooled down slightly, because I want them to be the same size so I can stack them on top of each other. I'm just going to melt down some chocolate. I'm going to chop up my marshmallows, bash up some biscuits. I'm also going to add some mini marshmallows and golden syrup in there to make it nice and tasty. And I'm just going to mix it all together, pop it in my tin, and then into the fridge to set. So let's get started on that. Okay, so when your chocolate chip cake has cooled completely and the chocolate biscuit cake is hardened, we can then sandwich them together with some delicious buttercream. I make this buttercream all the time. It's really simple. I'll list everything in the description below again. And of course, we can just do a nice crumb coat on the outside to make it nice and even before we add our delicious colours to give this fabulous unicorn effect. sandwiched our chocolate biscuit cake and chocolate chipped cake together with our buttercream, done a nice crumb coat and put it in the fridge to set. I'm now going to come back with my 4 colours of buttercream, my light pink, my dark pink, my light blue and my light yellow, to create this fabulous fur-like effect on the cake. I'm going to pipe on my light pink first because it's kind of like a base colour, and then go back with the rest of them, leaving some darker pink for the kind of mane down the back of the unicorn here. And I'm just going to get a bit of fun, have a bit of fun while I'm decorating this cake, and it couldn't be easier. So let's get started on the fab part. It's the decoration. Okay, so now that our meringues have come out of the oven and they are nice and cool, I can add my edible gold glitter to it and then add some toothpicks to them and then into the cake to finish off the decoration. All that's needed then is the eyes, the nose and the mouth to complete this fabulous Beanie Boo unicorn cake. unicorn cake? Did you spot Coco throughout the video? I think he was hanging around somewhere, and if you spotted him, do comment below and let me know what minute he is in and whereabouts he is in the video. If you've liked watching this Beanie Boo cake tutorial, then please do let me know. Comment below, give me a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I've had so much fun making this cake today. I think it turned out really great, and if you love Beanie Boos as much as me, then you're gonna love this recipe. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.